YouTube viewers and subscribers, welcome back to H.E.R, also known as Beauty Health. I've been gone for a long time, but if you guys didn't know, in the last video I posted, and if you follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat, you guys know that I've been in the middle of moving. So that's where I've been at. I've been moving into my new house. I got a house tour coming for you guys. The house is not completely done, but yeah. But I give you an unofficial house tour, like an unofficial room tour and all of that jazz. I have those videos coming, and also I have my back to school videos coming too. And don't mind me, girl, I just got done washing my hair. My hair is drying, I know. And I did a little wash and go, and I haven't done wash and goes in forever, so that's why my hair looks like this, because it's not defined or anything. But I just thought I'd come up here and I'd film a little video for you guys to get my mind off things. And also because it's been killing me not to film any videos, and my computer's out here just sitting on the floor. I have no desk yet, so there's a lot of things that I still need to do. But I thought I'd come up on this video with this wash and go hair, put on some hoops, a tank top, and some lip gloss with some chapstick, and just be 100% real with you guys right now, because I'm doing a makeup haul. Because I have a spam, I spam Instagram, but it's only my friends is allowed to follow me. So up north y'all call them Finstas, which means funny Instagrams. That's basically what a spam is. It's the same thing, it's just two different names. But down here we call them spams, and up north y'all call them Finstas. Anyway, so one of my friends up there, she's like, I have all this makeup, I want to get rid of it before I go to college, and it hasn't been used or nothing, it's all completely packaged up. And I was like, girl, yeah, I'll take some, get it off for you, da 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 da. So she dropped it off today, and that's how this makeup haul came about. So I didn't buy none of this. I'm 100% grateful that she gave me this makeup. And I'm just 100% grateful that I had this opportunity to get something free and to turn this into a video for you guys. So yeah, but before we hop into the video, because I know I've been talking for a very long time, and I know y'all just like Asia shut the you know. So don't forget to follow me on my social medias. My Instagram is simply.foreverasia, and my Snapchat is moneybaby_bae. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more hauls in the future, and subscribe. I almost forgot how to spell subscribe. STALK. Subscribe. So you guys don't miss out, because your girl posts every Mondays and Thursdays. And if you are subscribed today, don't forget to turn on your post notifications, because I don't want you guys to miss out. Come join us. You can be notified every time I post, and you never be late. So that's all I have to say. Let's just hop right into the video, because I know you guys are tired of me talking, and this is a really long intro. I really apologize. I love you. Okay, next clip. So this is the box. This is the box, and it has all the stuff in it. So I'm gonna go through it one by one for you guys. I'm scoot back a little bit. There we go. And tell you what's in here. So first I have this Day Logic. It's a blend friend oval blending sponge. It's meant to be for blending. I don't think I will really ever use this because it's one sponge, but yeah. Oh my god, my camera is about to die. I'm gonna cry. Next we have this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. I don't think this is matte, but whatever. I have this also. I have this Wet n Wild foundation brush, and I'm really glad because I can use this to put my face mask on, because I was like, I need to buy one because I get tired of putting it on with my hands because it's just really sticky and it gets annoying. I also have these Star Doll lashes. It's 100% human hair, and this in the color black. This is what they look like. So yeah. I also got this Revlon makeup palette. It's the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Makeup Palette with 24 eyeshadows, 4 blushes, 4 lip colors, 1 highlighter, and 1 bronzer. So it's just like one of those little makeup, palette thingies. This is what it looks like. On to the next. Then we have this L'Oreal La Palette Nude 2, and this what it looks like. Oops. The brush just came out, but this looks like, I can't wait to try this makeup out, you guys. I'm beyond hype. I'm highly excited. Also have this Revlon Color Stay not just nudes. I have this palette as well. I also have the Maybelline, the City Kids Pink Edge. This looks like some of it broke out, but I think I'll be able to fix it, so I don't think that would really be a problem. Also have these Julie lashes. Yep, these are cute, but this is what they look like. I think they're in the shit. I think the style is called Julie. I don't really know. I never have false eyelashes in my life. Then I have this CoverGirl Get In Line liquid eyeliner, and it's in the shade Teal Crystal, which I'm really excited because I have a lot of products that I can use in colors to show you guys. I have this CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara that has never been opened. Like, some of the stuff I already went through this, so some of the stuff I took out the packaging already, but all this stuff is brand new, and none of it has been opened or used. So I just putting that out there. This is the Revlon liquid eyeliner, and this is the wheel tip one. I doubt how this is gonna work. And then this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last Waterproof eyeliner, and this is in a cobalt blue, so it's a really bright blue shade. I have the Blush Nudes by Maybelline New York. I have this Wet n Wild paint pot. This is what it looks like. I haven't opened this. I don't know what it looks like. I'm so confused by what that means. So I'm going to go ahead and open it on camera for you guys because I want to see. I want to try it. I want to see what it's like. It's so hard to get open. Oh, that's because you got to twist it open. I think it's just black. Oh, it's just black. So I think it's like supposed to be like eyeliner or something. I don't know. It just says a paint pot. So I'm thinking this is supposed to be like eyeshadow / eyeliner. Then we have this Maybelline medium brown Total Temptation brow definer. I don't think this will really be my color, but we'll see. And then we have this Clean Color Matte Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade True Love, and it's a bright red. And I love me my reds. I can't wait to make some. Oh, I'm excited. Then I have the Color Workshop Mascara Lift and Curl. I have these Ardell's Studio Effect eyelashes, and these are the wispy ones. Oops. Then I have this Fix It Up Matte Setting Spray by Cookie Professionals. So I have more like setting sprays. I'm really glad this one is matte because I don't know if that the L'Oreal one is matte. It feels really nice, and it doesn't really have a scent. So yeah, it has a scent, but like it's like not a perfumey scent. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, then I also have these Ardell Fox. Is it Fox or Fox Effects? I don't know. Mink eyelashes, and I'm sorry, y'all. I was trying to see what kind it was, but it didn't have a name. Then I have this Nabby Get Gorgeous Baked Bronzer. It's so cute. I feel like this will really match my I have to open this, but I feel like this will really match my skin tone, and I'm so freaking excited. I can't wait to try it. Because, you know, I don't know if you know, but you can use bronzers and highlighters, like, like, you can use a bronzer as a highlighter, because I don't think this will really bronze my skin color, but it's really pretty. It would be, oh, that is stunning. It would be such a pretty eyeshadow. Oh, my God, it's stunning. You can't really tell, but it's cute. Okay. Then she gave me this Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask, and it has coconut extract in it. I love Garnier Fructis. I use it on my hair, my own self. Oh, it smells so good, and I love coconut. I think coconut oil is so good for your hair, guys. Like, I just love coconut itself. And this wash and go, it ain't bad. It's finally dry. I bought a diffuser. You guys, like, sis been spending money since I've been spending money, guys. But anyway, then I also have these other Ardell Studio Effects eyelashes. That's what they look like. And then I have this Revlon Metallic Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and it's in the shade Brilliant HD Glitz Brilliant HD. I think. But it's like this, like, grayish brown color. It's like a blue teal. I'm not teal, like it's like a navy blue, but metallic. This is what it looks like. Then I have this Revlon eye curler. I already have one, so I'm not really stressing it. Then I have some Ardell Fox Mink eyelashes again. Then I have these Ardell Glamour eyelashes. Then I have these little black dress eyelashes. It don't have a brand or anything, so, but those are what they look like. I have these Revlon stainless steel tweezers. She really loves Revlon. Then I have this Revlon Photo Ready Instafix highlighting stick, and this is in the shade Gold Light, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, it just came all the way out. Okay, not feeling that. That's what it looks like. Can't wait to use that and try that out. Then I have this Kalon Color Mattely Matte Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Rose. This is also red, but it's like a lighter red. Like this one is a more bright red. This one's a lighter red. This is a lip gloss. This is a lip gloss. Oh, shoot. That's the only difference between them. They're both red. Then I have this Kiss Strip Blast adhesive with aloe, and it's in the shade black. It's flash blue. Then I have this face mask. I have 3 of them. One is a calming mud mask. The other one is a detoxifying charcoal mud mask, and the third one is a vitamin C glow boosting mud mask. So I might use this on my next what are they called, pamper routines. Might add that in there. Then I have this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I've been wanting to try this, but y'all, this stuff is expensive, so I can't wait to try that out. Then I have this L'Oreal Infallible Paints in the lip color 302 Violet Twist. So, and it looks like this. This is what it looks like. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. Look at that. That's a gorgeous purple. Ooh, I can't wait to wear that. Then I have this, well, I don't know what brand this is, but this is this lipstick in the shade 835 Sapphire Siren. Oh, by Maybelline. It's all the way at the bottom. It's a bright blue. That's what it looks like right there. It's a blue. She got all this colorful stuff. I can't wait to do all these different looks. Then I have this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 40 Berry Boost. And it's just a pretty pink. Pretty pink. It's like a fuchsia, which I think I would really like, because I've been on the hunt for my new lipstick. But yeah. Then I have this Watermelon lip smacker, you know, that basic chapstick, you know, we grew up using. It's clear. So, and then I have 4 more items left for you guys. I have this Ardell Last Tint adhesive. That's what it looks like. It just comes out like that. Then I have 3 nail polishes from Essie. This one is pink, and it's in the shade 578 called Guilty Pleasures. Then I have this green one called Off Topic in the shade 706. And then I have like this brown nude one called Cocktails and Coconuts by Essie. So that is basically everything in this makeup haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I freaking love you all to the moon and back, and I hope you enjoyed this laid back chill YouTube video. So yeah, I kind of been wanting to rebrand my channel for a little bit, so I think this is more of the perfect opportunity. I moved, I live in a new area, so I think I'm really ready to go outside my comfort zone with you guys and like bring new content. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye!